Most people think losing fat requires endless hours in the gym, punishing workouts, or strict diets that are impossible to stick with. But here's the truth. Fat loss doesn't come from extremes, it comes from consistency. And one of the most powerful yet underrated tools for burning fat is something you already do every day: walking. Not sprinting, not HIIT, just walking, done smart and done consistently. When you approach it with strategy, walking becomes a fat-burning machine that's sustainable, joint-friendly, and something you can keep up for years. So how does it work? Walking burns calories while being gentle on your body. According to Harvard Health, someone weighing 155 pounds burns around 150 calories walking at a brisk pace for just 30 minutes. Stretch that to an hour, and you're easily in the 300-calorie range. Over a week, that can add up to nearly a pound of fat lost, just from walking. And if you weigh more, the burn is even higher. But here's where things get interesting. It's not just about how far you walk, it's about how you walk. If you keep your pace brisk, fast enough that you can still talk but not sing, you'll hit what's called Zone 2 cardio. That's the sweet spot where your body taps into fat as its main fuel source. Think of it as flipping a metabolic switch from burning sugar to burning stored fat. And timing matters too. A brisk walk first thing in the morning before breakfast can nudge your body to burn even more fat since glycogen stores are low. On the flip side, walking right after meals, even for just 10 minutes, helps stabilize blood sugar and insulin, setting the stage for better fat burning later. Combine the two and you've built a powerful fat burning routine without ever stepping into a gym. Now let's make those walks even more effective. Add an incline, whether that's a treadmill setting or a hill outside, and you'll burn up to 30% more calories compared to walking on flat ground. No hills nearby? Add resistance instead. Strap on a weighted vest or backpack, a practice known as rucking, and suddenly your walk becomes both a cardio session and a strength workout, burning up to 45% more calories. And don't forget about variety. Interval walking, alternating between a steady pace and short bursts of faster walking, fires up your metabolism and triggers the afterburn effect, where you continue burning calories even after you've stopped moving. That's efficiency at its best. Here's the simple formula. Aim for 45 to 60 minutes of brisk walking most days, add in a few short post-meal walks, and level up your sessions with inclines, weighted walking, or intervals when you're ready. Do this consistently, pair it with smart nutrition, and you'll unlock steady, sustainable fat loss without punishing your body. So remember, walk with purpose, walk with strategy, and let those daily steps work for you.